Oh, it's a bittersweet day, guys. So Bobby B may be going on to a new owner, and the project Foxbody should be pulling in if this gets out of here. But we're gonna pull him out and get him ready to go. A lot of memories with this car. I learned a lot playing with it. I'm tired because I'm up early, but it's time to move on. Right there. Took the car for one last little spin around the block. All right, MGB ready to go. See what he says. Okay, everybody, I'm in Bobby B for the last time, going to sign over the title. It's a bittersweet moment, but he's going to be taken care of, and maybe I can get some updates for you guys in the future. So I thank everybody, all the MG followers who followed the channel through the years. I hope you stick with us, but if not, I understand. But I'm definitely putting the new owner in touch with all the right communities to keep this car relevant online. One last drive. She is running good. Hopefully Lee enjoys her. Yeah, that Porsche back there doesn't want any. He doesn't want any. Saying bye.
You don't know how much I appreciate
Well, I appreciate it, man. It kind of helped me out a little bit, and I'm glad to know it's actually going somewhere. You're gonna take care of it. So. Hey, are you gonna miss Project Bobby B?
Yeah.
What are we doing now?
Why Bobby B go?
Yeah, Bobby B's gone. Are we gonna pull the Fox in?
Yeah.
You want to sit in the Fox?
Yeah. Can I help you, Daddy?
Help me?
Yeah.
Maybe. Let's go. So Fox bodies are small, but they're way bigger than they look. I had to make some. I'm gonna have to adjust some stuff. This is not. This is not the permanent fix. I'm probably gonna move all that stuff away from there, put that trailer over there, and move that stuff back over here. I think that'd be the better fix for it. But I just wanted to get the car in the garage, and that's what we did. And we'll worry about adjusting it later.
You can't drive because oh my goodness.
You driving? Well, as you can see, they love it. They approve of the new. They approve of the new parking spot, and that's gonna do it for Brailsford's Rides. Take care. Hit the camera. Where's that little flathead you had? Where's your flathead screwdriver?
I'll go get it. I'm going to get my tools. Not it. Here it is. Flathead screwdriver. Yep. He's got one. He's already